to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. If you are new, welcome. Smash that subscribe button for me. I will be showing you guys how I got this face to be sitting like this, okay? I play too much. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look. It's my go-to makeup look. I don't have any eyeshadow going on, just lashes, nude lip. It's something very, very simple. And I use all drugstore products. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I completed this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and start on my makeup. So the first thing that I do, and this is just going to be a very quick go-to makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I do my brows using the e.l.f. Dipbrow in the shade medium brown, which looks like this. Okay guys, so the next thing I do, I take this concealer. It's the same Milani concealer, but this one's in the shade 160 Warm Tan. And I just take a little bit on my eyelids. And I'm going to blend this out with a Anastasia Beverly Hills A5 brush. And with my go-to looks, I barely use eyeshadow. If I do use a powder on my eyes, it would be like a face powder, you know. And I feel like doing this, it just brightens up your eyes and makes you look more awake, you know, because lately I have not been getting good sleep at all. So, and if you have any pigmentation on your eyelids, you know, doing this step is like the best step for like a more natural look, and you're getting that coverage. So I'm just going to set this in place using my Maybelline Superstay powder in the shade 332 Golden Caramel, which is a little bit too light for me, and that's why I don't mind putting it on my eyes. So it's just going to brighten my eyes up even more, and you want to prevent creasing, so you want to make sure you set that in place. Looks nice and smooth. So the lashes, y'all, my go-to lashes are definitely Lena Lashes. I have them just sitting on top of here looking like some spiders. They're really long. Really long. I love my lashes really long. That's just me. So these are in the style, I think this one's in the style Cassie. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. Oh my god, look how long they are. And with my go-to looks, y'all, I barely do a wing liner anymore. I just pop on my lashes. So I like the way they look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Pond's moisturizer right here. So if you guys haven't checked out my foundation routine, I will place the link down in my description box. I'm still using the same products on my skin. So I'm using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Primer. So for foundation, I'm using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Foundation in the shade Tan Golden. So it looks like this. Mine is getting messy already. Okay, so for concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum All Day Brightening Concealers. Y'all, I don't know what shades these are. Like, they're not listed on here or anything. Alright you guys, so to set everything in place, I will be using the Bakerie Flower Yellow Setting Powder. so next for contour, I use the NYX Highlight and Contour palette, which looks like this right here. And I'm going to take all 3 shades at the bottom row. I always usually like mix these 2 first and then go in with this one last, the darkest shade last. Yes, you guys, I do put on a lot of contour because my face is already fat, so I feel like I need a lot of contour, you know. Alright, so next for setting spray, I like to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, and this is the coconut one, which I need to pick up another one. We don't do cakiness over here, so drench your face. Not too much where it's like dripping because your makeup will move. So, you know, just enough. Just enough. So I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes. I'm not going to add any shadow because we don't have no eyeshadow going on the top, so I'm not going to put none on the bottom. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. And I love Wet n Wild mascaras, y'all. They real cheap. And I actually just went to Target. I went shopping at Target yesterday and I bought a bunch of new makeup, so look out for another first impressions full face using all new makeup products from the drugstore video coming soon. So for highlight, I'm gonna go back to my fave, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I also bought a new drugstore highlighter, which I'm really excited to try out. So for now, I'm just gonna use this one again. Alright you guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this NK lip pencil. It's a brown lip pencil. You guys can find these at the beauty supply store. So you guys know I've been loving this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Sin Nudes. It's my go-to nude lipstick now. Well, it says it's a high shine lipstick, which is why it looks glossy. So you guys, this is the completed makeup look. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I have so many videos planned out for you guys. I have a first impression coming up. I have a filming setup video coming soon. And I have a get ready with me telling you guys about how I started YouTube. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to stick around and catch those videos. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you guys can be alerted every time I post a new video. Okay? Do that. Hit the bell. Okay? I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.